everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off in a Google Chat. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Chat apps, and after this, in here I have one conversation. So you just click on the chat, and after this, if you want to setting turn off or off in this chat, so you just click on three dots icon at the top, click on it. Sorry, in here you just click on the email at the top, click on it, and then in here you can see history is on. If you wanna turn off this history chat, so you just click on blue bottom, this one, like this. Okay, when message sent now are delete in 24 hours, like this. And if you wanna on, so like that. So that's how to turn on or off in a Google Chat. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.